BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 99 of season 3. Today's word is zest. Would you like to know what it means? It means enjoyment, excitement, interest, eagerness, energy and enthusiasm. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word zest. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Zest is spelled as Z-E-S-T. The word zest means excitement, interest, eagerness. For example, we can say that although Mr. Kripalani is 80 years old, yet he has a great zest for life, which means he has a great eagerness or he loves to live his life with great enthusiasm. Listen carefully how we can use the word zest in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Divya won the first prize in a national singing competition. Her parents and teachers had noticed her zest for singing since her childhood. Their constant encouragement helped her to be a prominent singer. Example number 2 of 8. Sagar was given the charge of managing the sales promotion of a hand wash soap in rural areas. His zest for field work was conspicuous. He hired an open truck, loaded the product displays in it, and instructed his team to move around in the territory. Example number 3 of 8. The star footballer suffered an injury and had to stay away from the game for 6 months. Upon return in the first match, he scored a hat-trick of goals. This gave him a fresh zest for the game and he started playing with more intensity. Example number 4 of 8. It was the first time a 2020 cricket match was held in the city. The zest of the local spectators was amazing. All the tickets were sold and organizers enjoyed a huge profit. Imagine you can also download the transcript of this episode and all our podcasts from our website. Visit www.bmconsultantsindia.com to download transcripts of all the episodes. Example number 5 of 8. Children's High School celebrated the World Environment Day on a grand scale. The school decided to clean up a nearby beach as a part of the celebrations. The zest of the students was worth watching as they worked for almost 10 hours non-stop for this project. Wow, wasn't this a noble cause? Have you ever participated in any such cleanliness drives? Do let us know. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Mrs. Samant's son returned home from his boarding school during his summer vacations. Each day, she would cook delicious meals for him. He relished the food with zest, and that made her really happy. Let us understand example number 7 of 8. The chairman, during his speech, remembered how he set up the company despite adverse conditions. With a great zest, he wished that the company flourishes further. His words inspired the employees and there was a huge applause. Means loud clapping. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Brittany had a speech disability. Her mother would try out different techniques to improve her speech. One day, through a social media group, she learned about a latest speech improvement therapy. This brought a completely new zest in her efforts to improve her daughter's condition. Isn't that great? Today we learned the word zest, which means enjoyment, excitement, interest, eagerness, energy and enthusiasm. Can you frame 3 sentences with zest and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to develop your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 99 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be publishing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.